Most people are somewhat lousy negotiators, even though we negotiate everywhere, in our private lives or at work, as employees or as managers. But once you understand just a few basic negotiation principles and get familiar with the most important tactics, you will be one step ahead of others.
The psychology of negotiation.
Effective negotiations are all about people. Therefore, this course is a bit of a crash course in psychology, focused on the relevant aspects for negotiations and combined with the most important professional negotiation tactics and how you can defend against them. In the end, you will have the tools to achieve more for yourself in all situations of life.